Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpaper and Style. So right here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so we can simply tap on change wallpapers, and then we will be transferred to some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So as you can see, we've got, for example, the colors, the gradient actually. We've got some graphical options, the featured ones. We've got also our own gallery, so of course we can set our own photo as a wallpaper. We can also get more wallpapers, so enter the Galaxy themes. Of course, you will have to first of all update the app and then log in. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. I will choose this dog, and now we can decide where we want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. It depends on your specific preferences. Just mark the option. I will choose both, so let's tap on next after marking. Now we can check how it will look like. Just give it a second, because it is loading. As you can see, we can change the position of this dog inside this heart, which is quite nice. So just position it like you want to, and then tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.